It's your girl Shadasheia G, and I'm back with another video. If you have not subscribed and you have not joined the squad, I shouldn't even have to tell you because y'all already know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the bell to be notified when your girl uploads new content so you can be the first one to see what I got to offer. But today I'm doing a review for a wig that someone sent me. I'm gonna look on my phone, you guys, because I already took the wig out of the box, threw the box in the trash, because I wore the wig like 1 or 2 times, but I really didn't have a chance to finesse it like I wanted to, or to get a feel of the wig yet, to see like what the wig is really working with. So this is like a review because I haven't put any products on the wig. I haven't done anything to the wig other than I'm gonna show you guys. But let me go ahead and tell you guys about this wig. This wig came from, it's spelled A-T-O-D-W-I-G, so I'm guessing that's Ataz wig or Ataz wig or Edaz wig. They sent me this wig, and let me tell you guys about the wig. They sent me a 4x4 lace front wig, Brazilian virgin, human hair, glueless cap, deep curly bob wig, pre-plucked with baby hairs for African American women, 150 density, natural color, and I think we said it was 12 inches. Like I said, y'all, already took the wig out the bag. I did save a little card, but y'all, I don't even know where the card is. You can also, they're on Instagram. I'll put all that in the description. They're also on Amazon. I'll put that in the description as well, where you can find them to purchase this wig. And they also have a whole lot of other wigs if you want to purchase those wigs. Everything will be listed in the description below. They're at very reasonable prices. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the wig. This is the wig. So yeah, right now it's not doing anything to it, so I'm gonna pop it on my head and show you guys and tell you guys more about it. Y'all, let me just go ahead and tell you, like I said, it's not a full lace front. It's not a 6x6 lace front. It's a 4x4. So what you get, I done cut it, but what you get is literally just this front part. So you can wear your part pretty much in the front, or if you want to wear it to the side, you have to like adjust the wig because it's just in the front. And it come with it like pre-parted already. So this part is pretty much the part that is in it. You can, you know, adjust it and pull it back over and get you a hot comb to lay the hairs down, but you will have to put a hot comb on it because the part is already like pre-adjusted, and if you just pull it over, you have to put some mousse on it or something to make sure you get, you know, because when you have a part or something in your hair for a long time, it almost like it just become accustomed to it. It's like that. But you could definitely part this wig in the little 4x4 section. I don't know if you can see that, but in the 4x4 section. But the rest of it is just pretty much on just the wig cap, and the hair is sewed down to it. It has 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, and it has the clip to put up here if you wanted to hold your hair down like that. And it had the stringy wig strings in the back, like most all wigs come with. Y'all, I'm a little bit under the weather. I went to the doctor and I had bronchitis, so they got me on like a whole bunch of steroids. So this video would definitely be short and sweet. So let me tell you guys too about something else about this wig. The lace is right here, but it has like this black lace up under the brown tinted lace, which is really weird. I don't know why. So you can literally cut this off to, you know, make it look more flat and natural, or you can leave it. I had decided to just like cut it back so this part, so the black wouldn't show up under this part, so it'll lay more flat. But y'all, I'm gonna just cut this whole lace because I don't need this lace part up under my lace, so I'm gonna cut that off. So yeah, this is like just straight out of the package. Let's see what we working with. Okay, y'all, we ain't going, looking like this, we ain't going nowhere. We still about to be left in the house, because right here, this ain't it. So let's see, let's finesse her. But I was saying, I did measure her, and to me, she seemed to be more like 8 inches, or maybe 10 inches, but not 12 inches. Maybe if she's straightened out, she'll be 12 inches. But, honey, I really don't think this is 12 inches. I don't think it's 12 inches. What y'all think? Y'all think this is a 12-inch wig? Okay, now we gotta fix her. I can definitely tell that she is glued. I feel like she is hanging on real tight. She's real tight. She's real good. But as I was saying with this lace, like, I just can't see me wanting to... Y'all, let me look at my big mirror and see. Yeah, I just can't see me wanting to pull out no baby hairs in just this little, because it's almost like a closure weave. You know, when you wear a closure, I mean, you could pull out a few baby hairs, but, and no, I just can't see myself wanting to pull out any baby hairs. So I'm going to just keep trying to work with her and see what I come up with. I think I'm going to go ahead and put some mousse or like some water on it, and then I'm going to come back, you guys, and I'm going to show you guys what I did. And then I'm going to let you guys let me know in the comments below if y'all think she's approved and if you think she's wearable to go out to pop some drinks. Okay? Okay, you guys, so I went and I so got myself finessing it. Only products I used on it was some foam styling mousse, and yeah, that's it. It's different. I'm not used to wearing wigs like this, but I think I can rock it. I can pull it off. But for people out there that's their style and you really like, you know, short hair, I think it's really good for the summer because I feel like it's really full. And I did get a little bit of shedding when because I brushed it too, you guys. I just used a regular brush from like Dollar Tree or Walmart, and I got a little bit of, you know, shedding. But y'all, it's super affordable. And I think like if you get it off Amazon, you can use like a 5%, it may even be 10 or 20% discount, and the price actually dropped like to, I don't want to put no numbers out there because I'm not 100% sure, but I will make sure I leave everything in the description below where you can go to purchase this bomb wig. But y'all, she's cute or whatever. Yeah, she bouncy, she curly, she cute. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you feel about this wig. Yeah, let me tell y'all, since I cut my hair bald head, it's just so easy and simple just to throw my wigs. So simple, so easy. But now I think I'm officially ready. Pop some more lip gloss on. I think they're glossy enough. What y'all think? these shades on. Now let's try this again. So we're finished with this review. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Go ahead and leave a comment. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and share. Tell everybody to subscribe. Go ahead and like. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. Thanks for watching your girl. Continue to watch your girl. Thanks for getting me over 500 subscribers. You guys, I do have a giveaway once I get to 1,000 subscribers. So keep on subscribing. And it's going to be a good giveaway. But you're going to have to watch these videos. And you're going to have to subscribe to these videos. And you're going to have to make sure the bell is notified so you can get the details. Okay, y'all. I'm done. I love you guys. Y'all, another thing I forgot to tell y'all what's good about glueless wigs. Now you can go to bed.